Okay, I'm going to show you a stop effect, which is really cool. This is for my mentor Alan Ackerman. This is it's actually from like Marlowe and from Johnny Benzais Cop. And what you do is control the card to the top. So say for this selection, for the example, this is 2 hearts. So you can do a top control. You're going to shuffle 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In jog the 7th card. Okay. Don't want to do too big of an in jog. I'm just exaggerating it for this. You're then going to get a break, cut the deck right at the break. That brings the card so that the 2 hearts is 7th from the top. Now you're going to use a psychological stop force, and then as an out you're going to use the Benzais Cop. So this is what it will look like. I'm going to do it from an exposed angle actually. So you're going to say, I'm going to deal the cards down. And you deal down 1, and then you say, as I deal the cards down, I'd like you to say stop whenever you want. You say that as you're dealing the 3rd card, and then when you time it right, it's 4, 5, 6. Now, there's many different outs I'll go into in other videos, but you want to time this properly, okay? So if you see that if they're not going to stop, you're going to keep going, okay? So from an exposed angle, if they stopped there, okay, it would be here. If they stopped there, it would be here, right? So there's 2 outs. There's more outs than that I'll go into in other videos, but this is if they're not going to say stop. As you go to set this down and they do not say stop, you're going to, at the last second, you're going to Tenkai this, okay, as this is going down. It'll look just like you dealt it down, okay? You're Tenkaiing it way back, okay? Now this is from an exposed angle. So I'm exposing it, and it will look like, from an exposed angle, it will look like this, okay? You deal that down, you're going to actually Tenkai it way back. So from the right angle, it'd be like this, right? You keep dealing with them. When they say stop, you just drop that. So from this angle, exposed angle, right when you go to 7, okay, if they said stop there, then you'd be there. Okay, if they didn't, then you'd go right from here into the Tenkai, and you'd keep dealing, okay? As you can see, this is in the Tenkai. From the right angle, this is going to look completely invisible. Now you have, whenever they say stop, they can stop whenever they want. Now when they say stop, you're in this position, and then you just drop those, okay? So this is very clean. This is Benzais stop effect, okay? So enjoy that. Please like, subscribe, and share, and go to promagicart.com to get the premium magic.